In this video, I'm going to show you how to group in PowerPoint. So the first thing you want to do is have two different objects or text boxes that you want to group, and then you can simply move them like you want them in a group, and then select the first one, hold down the Shift key, which will select the other one, click on the other one, which will select both of them, or you can also just simply drag over them just like this, and there we go, both were selected, or of course more, or you can alternatively hold down the Shift key and click on the first one, and then the Shift key and the other one, and there we go. Now once you have both or more of the objects selected, you want to right click on them and then click group up here, and then click group yet again. And as you can see, this now made a group, and I can move them around simultaneously whatever I'm doing, okay? What's also good of this is once you click on here and select the group, okay, you can also still move things inside of this group. So I can still click on the, let's say this part of text, and move it around. As you can see, click here in the border and it gets moved around. However, the grouping doesn't get destroyed. As you can see, they're still in a group, it just got moved around. And you can do this as well with the other one. As you can see, extend it and the borders will extend. And that's how you group and use grouping in PowerPoint.